What are you playing?
I'm playing ice cream.
Oh, what flavor do you have? What is that? Vanilla, strawberry, mint, and chocolate?
And
That's, what is that? Strawberry,
and
caramel,
and
and blueberry.
nope.
What is that?
I got it.
Okay.
What is it called?
Strawberry ice cream.
What is it called?
That's chocolate ice cream.
Oh. Mommy, ice cream.
Can I have strawberry ice cream?
Yes. They want ice cream.
Yes, please. The strawberry.
Yellow. Nope.
You didn't sell the strawberry one? Okay. 2 strawberry.